Good evening to everyone in round 2. I hope you're all doing great. I'm here with you for the daily analysis of Solana on March 9th. We are currently reviewing the weekly time frame. As you can see, after Solana's unexpected price surge last week, the price event
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
eventually dropped and last week ended with a pin bar candle. The price reaction zone last week occurred exactly at the 50% line of the weekly FVG at the price of $94. By reviewing the daily time frame, you can see that last week the price managed to move above its previous highs. But as we mentioned in previous analyses, the price is fluctuating within a specific range and still hasn't managed to close above its previous highs. This means that Solana still hasn't registered a valid break of structure, and we still can't expect it to break out of this range-bound area. Currently, the most important resistance zone for the price is the daily FVG, which is around the $95 price level. On the other hand, you can see that we have the daily order block, and if the support at the previous low is lost, the price could experience a further decline. We are currently analyzing the inflow and outflow of capital into Solana ETF funds. You can see that at the beginning of last week, there was a significant inflow of capital into these funds. However, on Thursday and Friday, there was a strong outflow of capital, and we can consider this as a reason for the decline in Solana's price. At the beginning of last week, even after the news of the outbreak of war, the capital inflow into the ETF funds provided support for Solana's price and led to its increase. But now, with this support gone, we can expect a further decline in the price. Also, by examining the Fear and Greed Index, we can see that compared to last week, this number has dropped to 19 and has once again entered the extreme fear zone. We are currently analyzing.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
The 4-hour time frame. We can see that in the area of $81.77, a 4-hour FVG zone has formed for us, and the price has previously reacted to the 50% line of this zone. After witnessing this price increase last week and then the pullback from the $94 area, now the price has once again returned to the 4-hour FVG zone and is fluctuating within this range. We are currently analyzing Solana's liquidity map. You can see that during the recent downward movement, a significant amount of sell-side liquidity has been collected. Currently, as the most important liquidity close to the price, we have a buy-side liquidity that can be seen above the previous high. This liquidity is located around the price of $86.17. By examining this area on the chart, we can see that this liquidity in this price range is situated within a low time frame FVG. In the 1-hour time frame, we can see that since March 5th, the price has been in a downtrend and has confirmed this downtrend by forming lower lows and lower highs. And now, today, with the price increase we've witnessed, it has managed to close above its previous high. We still consider the prevailing bias to be bearish in the short term, so moving forward, we are looking to enter sell setups. For example, if we see the price continue to rise and it collects the buy-side liquidity we mentioned, and if we observe weak candles, we can enter a sell trade targeting the 1-hour FVG liquidity in the price range of $79.69. In a contrary scenario, if the price encounters strong support in this area, it could rise up to the 1-hour FVGs, which are located around the price range of $87.50 to $88. Wishing you success and profitable trades.